Alright, hi all. Time to go down to pattern focus and find the next pattern. Next one is called Christmas Lights. Yes, I know you're going to be watching this after Christmas, but I'm actually recording it before Christmas, and there will be in the next couple of weeks probably some more Christmas based patterns, just because this is the way it works for me when I'm drawing. This one's called Christmas Lights. Super easy, right? You're aiming for this, but you could also aim for this or this, depending on the type of lights you want to make. But to be quick and easy, the regular standard light bulb lights, you're going to make a little, half a little crescent, little crescent, little crescent, little crescent. Put them spaced apart like a lights on a string. And then from that little crescent you're going to make the little light shape coming here like that. Kind of a V. Little light bulby shape. The end of that, the next step, is you're going to make this little three-sided, little bit of a curve for the base, right? And then you're just going to connect one to the other with a loopy, stringy, whoop-de-whoop line. And then you can put this little highlight spot. You want to color them in, you can color them in. And like I said, you want to do your bulbs in stars or trees or circles. Any of those shapes will work. So I'm going to, do I want to do it on orange? I'm going to do it on white. Let's do it on this beige color. Okay, turn on my light. I'm going to give myself a border. Right. I don't know what I'm going to do yet for that border, so I may or may not use it. And then I'm going to give myself a decide that these lights are going to kind of come in this general idea. They're going to come out from one side and they're going to kind of swoop down, and then maybe going to come back on each other like that. Just in general. Might not be exactly what happens, but I'm going to kind of follow that sort of a path. So I'm going to put a little crescent here, a little crescent there, maybe one here, maybe one here, maybe another one there, and there, and there, and there, and there. Like that. Randomly. Sort of randomly. And then my sort of light bulby shape. Like that. That one's not very good, but you'll know what it is. Once we're done, you'll know what it is. Dog next door has decided it's going to let me know it's there. How delightful. Like that. And then we're going to do this shape. And I'm going to color those in. Just like that. I think I've decided around the edge I'm going to do like tinsel. I'm going to use my brush pen. And I'm going to do my brush pen's not working very well for this. I thought it would work better for this. It's not doing what I wanted. Yeah, this brush is fraying, so it's not making a nice clean tip anymore. It doesn't make a triangle anymore, see? I was hoping it would make a better shape, but that's alright. We're still gonna kind of just do like this. Something like that. There. That's my border. I needed some reason why the lights were where they are. And then just kind of like that. And then you want to make yourself a little highlight on the bulb. Oops, that's not a bulb. And I do think I'm going to want to color those in or put some sort of color on them because, you know, they're a Christmas bulb. Christmas lights. So I'm just going to give myself a quick little markers. I think markers would be the easiest and fastest way to do this. Let's give ourselves a little yellow. Like so. Maybe another one over here. And then maybe this lovely red. They're usually, Christmas lights are usually the brighter colors. And there's often a bright blue. There's usually a white one, but I'm not going to do white. Let's do this green. Maybe a green one here. Maybe some more green up in here on my little border. brush pens on these are better than my black. That's not good. And I need one more. That one's not colored in. What color should I make it? Let's do an orange. I didn't do an orange yet. Let's do a nice bright orange. And I'm going to do some other green up in here on my border, because it's very Christmassy, very evergreen. Just with some random, see, I'm not doing this. This isn't difficult. I'm just splotching wherever it ends up. Just splotching. Getting some color in there for it to look more like evergreen around the edge. And then I do think I'm going to, where's my pen? Where's my pen? I need my little pen. I'm going to make little like glow marks. The cartoon glow marks. Indicate that my light bulbs are on. Like that. Okay, done. That is a quick and easy one. Super simple. You can do this. This is, if you had been drawing your Christmas cards or whatever and you want to do this around a border or something, this is perfectly good for that. Easy. Of course, it's after Christmas now, so now you'll have to save it for next year, but now you'll know that it exists and it's easy to do. So I will see you guys tomorrow. We're rushing ahead toward New Year's Eve, and yeah, you guys have a great day, a great end of your year, and we'll move forward into 2019 with just a really positive things happening, right? Yes, we will. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow, and you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.